everyone, this is Advocate Radhika Sharma. So today we will discuss the section 27 of Evidence Act for more lucidity. So basically इसमें like if the said information received from the accused regarding the fact discovered is to be disclosed to during trial, and if consequent on such information given by the accused, he need not personally lead the police party to the said place of concealment जो कि is held in रविंद्रन वर्सेस स्टेट 1819 के केस में भी. And in if the law in law the giving of the disclosure statement by the accused and the recovery of the weapon need not be heard or seen by any public witness. And if in law the above proceeding need not be reduced to writing in the form of a panchnama or a mahazar, since this is not search of a closed space falling under section 104 of CRPC. तो इनके केस में जो ओपिनियन था ऑफ that it is only in cases where the accused while in custody of the police officer discloses the place of concealment of the weapon, and from such disclosure it is possible for the police officer to recover कर सकते हैं वो वेपन को from the hiding place without any further assistance or participation by the accused. Can it be said that the recovery falls under section 27 of the Evidence Act? Even in such cases, if after disclosing the place of concealment of the weapon, the accused aids or leads the police in recovering the weapon from the already disclosed hiding place, the case would nevertheless fall under section 27. And if in a case the accused does not disclose the place of concealment of the weapon to the police officer while in custody, but instead says that he has hidden the weapon in a secret place, and thereafter he leads the police party to the hiding place of the weapon and either point out that the weapon or take out of the same from the exact spot, the case does not fall under section 27 of the Evidence Act. But the act of accused pointing out the weapon without disclosing the place of concealment of the same may possibly amount to a conduct falling under section 8 of the Evidence Act. So thank you guys, thank you for watching us.